Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to delete a downloaded iOS update on any iPhone out there, whether you're on iOS 14, 13, 12, 11. It's pretty much the exact same process for any device. Now, in order for you to determine whether you actually have a downloaded software on your computer or not, on your iPhone or not, you want to make sure that you go into your settings and you want to just, one thing I like doing is going into general and then I go into software update and I go ahead and see if this specific software says install down here. If it says download and install, then you probably don't have a software that's already downloaded on your device. But sometimes this could also be faulty. So another way to check this and to actually delete the update from your device is to hop out of here. You want to go into your settings panel. So we're starting fresh. You want to scroll down into general, which is right here. Now you'll see a lot of different things. You want to find iPhone storage, which is right here. So you want to go ahead and click here. Now you'll see a bunch of different things, okay? Now there at some point, I don't currently have it installed here, but you should see like iOS 14.1 or iOS 13.2 or iOS 12.6, whichever update you're seeing, you can go ahead and make your way throughout here and see if there's any iOS update. Now, like I said before, I don't believe I have one installed because I tried to delete it and it deleted it properly. But as you can see, you can just go through down all the way over here and see if there's any updates. Now, sometimes you can click on these system things and see if there's anything here. You can't really delete these. These are just things that are always here. You can try factory resetting your device and that may fix that specific problem. But that's the main thing I always prefer and tell people to do is just to scroll through here and see if there's any iOS update that's installed or downloaded. So you can go make your way over here. You might be able to find iOS whatever. And once you do, and let's just say this was the iOS update I wanted to delete, you would go ahead and click on it. And once you do that, a little delete button will show up just like any other app. As you can see, it'll say delete app, but this one will say remove software or delete software, whatever. So in this case, you would go ahead and just click remove software, delete software, whatever. And at that point, that should end up deleting the software from your device. So that's really pretty much the process. That's exactly how you delete unwanted software updates that are installed. And you can from there go ahead and save some extra storage. Or if for some reason it's not installing properly, you can delete it, download it again from the software update panel, and then pretty much go from there. So that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.